Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Chrome experience with Chrome extensions. There are a ton of available extensions that make things just a little bit easier, can customize Chrome to you, and even browser games that can let you take a break for a minute. To find extensions, head to chrome.google.com/webstore. Here you'll find all of the available extensions for you to add. You can browse categories here on the left or search the store with keywords if you want to do that. Some websites or services that you use may have extensions inside of the web store, so you can search for them here or use a link if they have one on their site. If we look up here in my extension bar, you'll see I have add-ons for Vimeo, Capital One Shopping, Grammarly, Adobe, and more. In the store, I'll scroll down and look at this to-do list extension. After selecting it, go through and see if it is something that you want to add, and if it is and you're ready, select Add to Chrome at the top and then Add Extension to confirm. It will then add the extension to your browser. Now if I head up to the extension bar at the top here and choose Extensions, I'll see it in the list. I can also pin it so that it'll always show up as a favorite. Now to use the extension that you added, just choose it and set it up if it needs to be set up, or if it's ready to go, you can start using it. Now if say I decide that I don't want this extension inside of Chrome, I can just select Remove from Chrome here on this page, or if I'm no longer on the page, I can again select the extension button and at the bottom hit Manage Extensions. Here it will list all the extensions that I have installed. Find the one that you want to remove and hit remove and then again to confirm. And that's how you add, manage, and remove extensions inside of Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.